In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Animal Shelter 2 on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Once you have done this, then we can quickly search up this game at Steam before we can continue to another website to download this game without overpaying. So we are not going to buy it at Steam, be aware of this. The next step is go to the Steam website quickly, don't waste too much time on it because we don't want to overpay. So search up the game Animal Shelter, then scroll a little bit down once you have opened the game page, and you will see there is a free demo, but we would like to download this full game. On Steam it is quite expensive, €18.37, but don't worry, we have a workaround. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. Then we can search for the same game, Animal Shelter 2, and select it. Then select games on the left side and sort by price lowest first. Now the next step will be searching for a PC version, as you can see here, and make sure this text is marked green so it can be activated in your country. This is very important. Then select the game, and once you have opened the game, you will find out that we can already download this game for just €13.53 compared to the Steam price of €18.37. This will save you a bit of money while downloading games online. Now if you purchase this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!